this 50 go?
No drink and drive.
What the? This ain't the Mustang?
What's up, YouTube? Just got another package dropped off from Hansshow. Let's get this bad boy opened up and installed on the car. Padding. Some adhesive promoter, and then we have the actual carbon fiber piece itself. Alright, I'm gonna get this bad boy ceramic coated, and then I'm gonna get it installed on the car. Shot. First thing you want to do is go here, open up the glove box, and what I'm gonna do right now, I don't know if I'm gonna even use this tape, because this does just slide on. It slides right on. So for right now, I'm not even going to use no tape. I'm just going to slide it on. And if it makes any noises or rattles, and then I might do it. But I really don't see what the purpose of this 3M tape is, you know. But I'll give it a test run. Alright, so the first thing you just want to do is kind of hard doing one hand. And just, I guess, get it on there. Wait a minute, is it lining up? Let me see. No, don't go that way. Gotta go this way. So, it's gonna go on like this. Let me use both hands. I'll be right back. Alright, we have it on. Now you just want to slide it down. Slide it all the way down. This is what I'm saying. I don't think you need no tape. Okay, so I did notice, since I didn't use the tape, that it is loose down here. So we will be using the 3M tape. So let me take this back off and put some adhesive promoter on there and the 3M tape. You always know what I say about the adhesive promoter that they give you most of the time. If it's dry, don't use it. I recommend these 3M pins, or wipes are way better. But if it's moist, I will use this one. Normally, I just tell you to, you know, with this 3M tape, just peel the corners off each corner, and then stick it on there, and then pull it off. But the way these edges are on here, I recommend just pulling them all the way off before you even try to stick it on there. So as I was waiting for the alcohol to dry, about 30 seconds, this adhesive promoter dried, so it's garbage. So I'll be using my 3M adhesive promoter. Shake it up, crunch it up, break the glass. And then we're just gonna go like this. Come on. Go all the way down there, just all the way around it. Wherever you think the tape's gonna stick. I think it's really important to get it down here at the bottom, because you remember earlier, that's where the problem was at, and that's why I decided to go with this the tape, because I wasn't going to use it. Alright, give it a couple seconds, then slide the piece on. Alright, now once again, I'm not going to be able to do this one hand because I got this adhesive promoter on there now, so it's really going to want to stick. So let me get it started and then I'll get back on here. Okay, so why it wasn't opening was, you can see down this corner right here, it's kind of rubbing. So there's really nothing I could do about that. So I just kind of pulled on it a little bit. And now there's no problem whatsoever. So if it happens to yours, just pull on it a little bit. Maybe you could bend the hinges a little bit maybe, or whatever. So let's give it a try. We'll do it 3 times. Okay. 1. 1. 2. 3. So you see there's no problem with it now. Good to go. Alright, so there you have it, the final product. Hansshow Model 3, Model Y, carbon fiber glove box. That was kind of hard to see. Still can't really see it in the sunlight.